Hey guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Quick lesson on how we set up our system with the couplings and the plugs. One of the biggest frustrations is when you're trying to change the tip, or whether you're trying to get the wand on the hose, it won't come off. And a lot of times they say, well, you gotta run the paper, the sandpaper, plumber's sandpaper, around the outside edge and reduce the rim on the plug, which I believe that to an extent, but come on. I think I've been steered astray. Anyway, so if one's not working right, I put a new coupler on, so that at least I don't know that the one's on there is too old and too stiff, like I'm beginning to feel. Anyway, it's not a comedy hour, but yes it is. In our system, there's two sizes of the plug and the coupler. That's got the half inch size and the 3/8. This is for your tips, and this is for anything involved with the pressure hose, which would be on this one. This is a little bit larger. It fits in there. See, this one doesn't want to come back, so what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to video this whole thing, I'm going to replace this coupling with the new one with the plumber's tape. And if you don't know how to do that, go on YouTube. And then we'll see if that improves it. And this one here has been giving us trouble, 3/8 size. So I'm going to take this one off and wrap the white plumber's tape around it and screw this one on and ratchet it down pretty tightly, pretty firmly. And then the next time we power wash, we're going to have some fun. It's going to be easy, and we'll go for that.